Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you my 10 current luxury favorites. Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Magdalena. Welcome. I know I have a lot of new subscribers recently, so yeah, if you're new, please leave a comment down below. I would like to hear from you, and if you are considering subscribing, please do so. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to this video because we're gonna talk about the luxury. So I'll be showing you guys some fashion items, some shoes, couple of cosmetics as usual, but I'm trying to stick to the luxury level. There might be one bonus item, maybe. So I'm probably gonna start with the blouse that I've got a lot of compliments when I wore it in one of my videos, and this is probably not a very luxurious item, but I wanted to put it here anyway. This is this beautiful pink blouse that you guys told me that I look beautiful in it, and I do agree. I love this pink color. This is from the Vince Camuto. I've got it at Nordstrom, and I wanted to feature this because this blouse is super comfortable. It's kind of, you know, the material is kind of like a crinkled a little bit, so it doesn't look like it's a completely super duper like polished. And it does comes in tons of colors, and I know those blouses are always super popular. So yeah, I went for this hot pink because I don't know, it's just that color spoke to me. You know, they are not the most expensive one, but they're also not the cheapest. I believe they're about $80 plus tax, you know, it's gonna be 90 or something. But anyway, yeah, I will link it down below. They're still available because I know they are selling out like crazy. And like I said, this is from the Vince Camuto, and I think they were only available this particular style in the Nordstrom. So I'll do my best. If I can, I'll link it down below for you guys so you can go check it out, because like I said, it comes with so many different colors and it's super comfortable. Eddie is snoring and making a lot of noises, so if you hear my dog, my apologies. All right, so you guys, let's talk about the Dior. The two products that I wanted to feature, I think I did feature in some of my favorites, so this is gonna be the very last time I'm gonna talk about this. Those are very luxurious products, and I'm talking about the Prestige line from Dior, and I got a few things within the past few months, and those two products are my favorites. So the first one is the scrap, and this one, first of all, I mean, look at the packaging. This is like absolutely stunning. It is all glass, it's super heavy, and it has this beautiful gold you know, top, and this is a sugar scrap, so it is very, well, if you smell it, it's kind of sweet, you know, it's like, it reminds me of something sweet, you know, but at the same time it has a little bit of that maybe rosy, kind of a spa-like scent. Like I mentioned, it is a sugar scrap. It comes with the little, like a spatula, very fancy gold spatula that you can scoop in, but I love this product. It is, when you put it on your skin and when you start like working out onto your skin, and you know, your skin should be like slightly wet, you start working it out, this sugar starts dissolving and it turns into kind of like a wax, or like a kind of a veil of, I don't know, like a mask basically, okay? And I like to do this before I go to shower. I usually use it once or twice a week. A little bit goes a long way. Of course, if you want to use more, feel free, but it is a pretty pricey, you know, product, and you just work it out. I usually do it above my sink, and then I leave it for a few minutes, you know, like kind of like a mask. I run into the shower, I just wash, and then eventually, you know, I wash it off my face. So I like to leave it on my face for a few minutes, and it's absolutely amazing. So if you haven't tried this, and I know the Prestige lines is a little bit, you know, can sound a little fancy, and it is pretty pricey, but it will last you for a long time. You know, it's a big, let me see, there's 150 ml of product, you know, and like I said, you don't use it every day. I have it already for a few months and I still have plenty left. So yeah, if you're looking for a good scrub for your face and at the same time that is not super harsh, it's quite gentle but does, you know, it does do the work, let's put it this way. Plus you get a little mask on top of it. It's a win-win. Okay, one more product from Prestige that, again, it's not new to my channel. This is the lotion. It's beautiful, and as you can see, I'm using more and more every time I show you guys. I take one pump and I usually use this in the morning. You can use it in the morning or the evening right after you cleanse your skin. And I basically take one pump and, you know, distribute on my hand and just kind of pat around my face. This is, you can use this like, obviously, like instead of a toner. It's absolutely beautiful. It hydrates your skin and it's just like preparing you for the skincare. So again, it is not cheap, obviously, but it is a very, very large bottle. It's 150 ml and I have it already for, I'm gonna say 3 months. I think so. It's about 3 months or so. And this is how much I used. So it will last you for a very, very long time. Like I said, I use it once a week, once a day, sometimes twice a day, but usually in the morning. So yeah, there is still plenty left after about 3 months of use. So yeah, if you're looking for a good kind of a lotion hydrating boost to your skin, you know, especially if your skin is becoming more mature like mine, I would highly recommend to try this. All right, sticking to a few more beauty items before I move to some shoes and handbags, I want to share with you the lipstick that I recently purchased during the Sephora VIB sale. I actually got quite a few lipsticks, and I was always a fan of Dior lipsticks. So again, we're on the Dior. This is one of the, I got 3 Dior lipstick, but this is the one that I absolutely love the best out of 3. And this is in the color 628. I have it on today. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's kind of like a rosy pink, little plummy even, I would say. There is something about this lipstick that I just love, okay? It's like the other 2, I love it as well, that I purchased, but this one is like my favorite out of 3. So yeah, I just feel like it suits my skin tone, and I don't know, I think it looks very, very pretty. Let me know what you guys think. I'll definitely link it down below for you if you want to try it out. The formula is outstanding. It's super hydrating, and you know, they're not as crazy expensive as the Chanel. And in my opinion, these are better than Chanel. So yeah, definitely worth a try. They have amazing array of colors, so I'll link those lipsticks down below so you can go and check it out for yourself. You will love it. All right, I have 2 perfumes, 2 luxury perfumes that I want to share with you. And again, the first one is something that I purchased during the last VIB sale from Sephora, and this is from the company called Ellis Brooklyn, and it's called Salt. I went to the store, and this was kind of a spontaneous, I would say, purchase. But I smell it, like I just kind of accidentally, and I was like, you know what? There's no way I can leave this at the store. I have to buy it. So they didn't even have like the, you know, the one that you can purchase on display. So I was like worried, but yeah, she had it in the, you know, the little drawer that they have. So it is amazing. I mean, I'm horrible at describing the perfume, but it's very fresh. I think it's very springy, very summery. I think it could be actually, I think it's a unisex perfume. If you're a man or woman, you can wear it. No worries. I think it will suit everybody. I have to put some on because it smells absolutely amazing. I really would like to try some more perfumes from this line. I know she makes you know, different ones as well, so I'm tempted to try another ones because this one is amazing and it stays on me for all day. You can probably tell how much I already use it, and you know, the Sephora sale was not that long time ago. I'm like obsessed with this scent. You have to try it. I'm looking at the description, you know, because I'm horrible at describing the scents, but it says it's a fresh solar scent, so it's fresh, like I said. Keynotes ylang ylang tiara ambergris. I don't even know what I'm talking about in here. I honestly never heard about these ingredients. It says, capturing the essence of salty skin, the creamy heat of sun, and the whiff of tropical florals. It's just amazing. Okay, if you like fresh kind of summery springy scent, you have to go and try it. It is amazing. All right, the last perfumes that I want to share with you is the Twilly Ginger. This was something that I've got in December. I think I've got it in December. You guys, this is, look how much I use it already. And this is not like the winter perfume in my opinion. I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. This is so beautiful. It's certainly different than Salt because this one is more floral. It has some cedar. You can smell peony. This one, oh, it's, I cannot put both of them on, but let me just put it in here. At least, I know you're not supposed to wrap, but oh my God, it smells so good. This Twilly Ginger as well as the original Twilly are probably my two favorite. I don't have the original Twilly right now. I used it up completely, so I'm working on the Ginger. Oh, this is amazing. If you were thinking about getting one, just don't even think. If you like florals, again, like fresh, springy, summery scent, this is going to be for you. I mean, it's so beautiful. Also, the packaging of this bottle, you know, the same as the original Twilly, is just so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Alright guys, I have two pair of shoes that I want to share with you and two handbags that I have been obsessed with. And if you probably have seen my recent update, kind of my recent purchases update video, you probably will know which shoes I'm gonna feature here and which handbags, but I just have to share with you because I have been literally using those items non-stop. So the first pair of shoes are my Chanel sneakers, which I'm obsessed with, and I mentioned in my other video that I want to get them in black. I'm so tempted to get them in black. I think they're just gonna be so stylish. I just have to go for it. They're super comfortable. And I don't know, they just sit so well on my feet, you know, and you know, they are not so much Chanel in your face. Obviously you can see a little, you know, little CCs in here. There's obviously says Chanel, but you cannot really tell like by you looking at the front of the shoes. But there is something about the shoes that just looks so good on my feet, and I feel very comfortable. I feel very stylish, and I can dress them down, I can dress them up, and I just feel like they're just so good, and I just love these. All of these shoes are obviously a big splurge, and you know, they cost tons of money. Same as my Prada mules. I mean, I've noticed, I purchased them from the Italist website. If they're still available, I will certainly link them down below. I'm not sure if America ever got them. They do have different style of mules, Prada mules in the Nordstrom, but not this exact kind of shape. I think some of the shoes are kind of limited to Europe or even Asia. So these one I bought, like I said, from the Italist website, and they came from Italy. So I've been living in those shoes. If I don't wear these, I wear my Chanel's. And like even my husband said, are you gonna ever change the shoes? Like I literally wear them all the time. So yeah, they cost a lot of money, but I think they're a great investment. So it's probably gonna be no surprise which two handbags I'm gonna feature today. It is my Fendi Baguette and my Denim Chanel. So those two bags I purchased recently. This is the newest one. I have the Fendi Baguette for a little bit, and I have to tell you guys, I use these two bags all the time. And if I don't use this one, I grab my Chanel, and it's like, I don't know, maybe it's just the fact that they're both made of fabric. You know, these are not leather handbags, they're fabric handbags, and I think the fabric handbags, like canvas handbags, are so hot, and they're gonna be so popular this spring and summer. I think those are the it bags for sure. The only thing, of course, it's the fact that this is like, for example, this one is not a coated, you know, fabric, or, you know, even Chanel. This is the denim, and it is like a canvas because it's very kind of, you know, structured, but it is not coated. I did spray it with my little, you know, spray, just so it's not gonna be any stains, but sometimes I'm thinking if this is not gonna, you know, kind of get a little destroyed because I see some like stitching, you know, or like pieces of threads, you know, kind of coming out a little bit. So I don't know, we will see in a long time, but nevertheless, I absolutely love this bag. Obviously the leather would be more durable, and the same with Chanel. I mean, it's just so easy to style, you know, any of those two bags. It's just like, I'm just going for it. You know, I would wear this blouse and with this handbag, and looks, it's just perfection. It's just perfection. So these two bags has been really, really my favorites, like on top of my list. I didn't even reach for my Louis Vuitton handbags at all. I feel like I'm, you know, this is obviously my very first Fendi handbag, and you know, I feel like I'm reaching out, you know, trying new brands and, you know, new handbag styles. And, you know, obviously Chanel, this is the only fabric. Well, I do have a DeVille tote, so, you know, but it's just different because DeVille is more like a boucle kind of, you know, material, and this one is denim. But hey, I love them both so much. I think they're just amazing bags. Alright guys, so this is it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what do you think about my items, my luxury items, my favorites. And if you do own any of those cosmetics or perfume, please let me know how you're liking it. I will try to link as many items as I can, obviously as usual below. All my makeup details also are always listed in the description box. You guys are always asking me. By the way, I was gonna mention it, the bonus item. I went back, you know, I purchased this during my Sephora sale. Again, this is All Hours foundation from YSL. I have it on today. It's beautiful. I haven't had it for like a couple of months because I ran out of it, and I started using it again. It's one of my favorite foundations, along with the Dior Capture Total. It's like, those two are like my to-go foundations right now. But yeah, YSL, it's definitely a beautiful foundation. I'll link this one down below as well. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye!